In this example, we've got a number of products. We've got the retail selling price, a set discount that's allowed to give us a net selling price, the costs, and therefore a net profit. We've then got a percentage on the retail price, so that's base the net profit on the original retail price, and the net profit on the net selling price. What you need to do is for product 1, we need that number to become 12.5%, and we're allowed to change the costs. For product 2, we need the percentage on the net selling price to become 25%, and we're allowed to change the retail price. And the third one you've got to think about a little bit. We need that the total of discounts and costs, so that plus that, you'll see it comes to 743. It must come to 750 by changing the retail price.